not knowing it would be his last sleep. I knew it was going to be a challenge finding out what caused this, so I hooked him up to our monitoring machines and began with our usual process. But I never could have guessed the horrifying discoveries I would soon make. When I began monitoring the patient, I noticed something extremely strange. His brainwaves weren't typical of a normal coma patient, but all his other physical attributes are. His pupils are unresponsive to light, and he is unresponsive to all stimuli applied, including painful stimuli, except for reflex responses. But his brain waves seemed like he was still awake, still fully capable and conscious. The professor in charge of our lab had a theory that the patient may have been exposed to some airborne pathogen that infected his brain, which may explain the unusual brain activity. But something was telling me it was something a lot worse than that. Whatever the diagnosis, he was a medical mystery and could have held the key to some obscure disease, and by extension, a new discovery. We were looking at uncharted and undiscovered scientific territory here. So, this afternoon, one by one, my colleagues at the lab checked out for home. Soon there was just me left, staying overnight alone to monitor the patient. I have done this, as I say, many times before.